This is Beth. She's made over $3 million selling custom candles on sites like Etsy. And what's even more crazy is she supports a family of 6 with just a single product type. We met up with Beth, where she breaks down how she's made over $3 million, the strategies behind her success, and how you can sell custom candles too. I'm Steven from HelloCustom, and this is Beth's story. So Beth, for those that don't know you, who are you and what do you do?
Beth Wilson, here in Jackson, Tennessee, and we make candles. We have 3 shops on Etsy. So Wisdom House, our main line, the tagline is candles for every moment. We started with Wisdom House exclusively. It's sentimental, it's meaningful, but I started realizing like a lot of people want a little bit of fun. Not everybody is sentimental, meaningful. So we launched something called a shop called Off Color Candles. Off Color is bright, it's colorful. The tagline is unseriously good. When you want something fun, in my estimation was you might not want to pay as much. It's quick, you're just looking for the laugh. And then Den of 6 is amber jars. It's a smaller shop, fewer listings. It's like Wisdom House, but in the amber jars.
I love that. I would love to hear your story, how you got started and why candles.
I actually got started in 2018 reselling vintage furniture, but that is a grind. We found out that we were pregnant with our fourth child. Driving in the back roads of Tennessee to pick up furniture, haul it, not know how far I'm going, it just became very apparent that I needed to switch and do something else. And I thought, every person who does home decor at some point, if you walk into a store and you can't take a piece with you, you're gonna take like something small, a mug, a candle. I could take the smell with me. I could take the memory with me. I could take this candle. And really, it just started from that simple idea.
So at what point did you feel like you made it and decided to go all in on candles?
I was documenting every step along the way, almost like a hobby. Beth is not selling vintage anymore. What is Beth doing in her basement? We launched the website, and then as all things go, you have a great week of sales, and then you realize you have to drive traffic to a website. That's always been the thing. If I can just get people to look at our products, I always felt like I could sell them. Enter Etsy. Etsy was getting a ton of traffic around COVID. It still gets great traffic now. And so your question of when did we feel like we made it? I don't know that anybody does. It is always a risk, especially in your 40s, to shut everything down that you're familiar with and you're saying like, I'm betting on myself. I'm not only gonna provide for my kids and my family, but I'm going to take a leap and see if I can also have a staff and provide for them. There's always a hurdle that you're overcoming, but I think 2023 is when we decided to make the jump and be all in. Once your back is against the wall, you don't have another option.
So you mentioned that you make all your candles in-house, right?
Yes, we do, everything.
Would you mind walking us through what that looks like?
Yeah, let's go. So the candle process starts with melting wax. This is wax melter 1. It can hold about 1,400 pounds, which makes about 2,800 candles a day. And then we also have our first big one. This was, at the time, it was huge for us, but this holds 7 boxes, which is about 1,400 candles a day. When we first started, everything, you empty the wax into these pitchers. Everything was done by hand, but now we bought some machinery last year that really helped us speed up the process, but we still do everything by hand here. Hand wicked, hand poured. Even though we have a little bit of machinery to help us now, it is like, every candle that we have is like wiped, smoothed, wicked by hand. This is our hero product. This is the frosted vessel, and we pour all of our candles. We actually pour them in these boxes. I've tried so many waxes, and I settled on a soy coconut blend. It makes a very predictable product. It's a little bit softer. It has a great cold throw, which is what it smells like when it's unlit. But then when you burn it, it has a wonderful hot throw. I'm still able to use a natural wax for our candles, and I stand by that. I feel great.
And then out comes a finished product like this. What does a candle like this typically go for?
Oh, on Etsy right now for an 8-ounce fill candle, I would say anywhere from $18 to $26, which is about 40 to 45% profit margin.
Wow, that's super healthy for a product type.
Yeah.
You were showing us last night that there's a lot of different candles to choose from, and maybe we can bring those out.
Yeah, let's look.
Out of all these candles, is there any specific one that does well for you guys?
This is just a small selection, but of everything, this is the product that I ended up choosing. It's a frosted jar with a bamboo lid. So I had the option of selling a candle with a lid or without a lid, but the lid, when your customer receives it, it seals in that fragrance, so it's like an unboxing. It's the first thing that they smell. It's very strong. When it comes to the Etsy marketplace, you are selling like an image. That's the only thing that the customer sees. And even while I might love this green, when you're taking a picture of that and selling it, you probably know this better than anybody. White, bright, it sells every day, all day, a lot easier than the other candles. If you're like, I want to have color, fun, we do have a brand off color that is bright. Instead of making the vessel itself like a pink, we just converted that to the label. So then you apply the label, it just has a little bit more color to it and pop. So having the label be the thing that you change is the fun part.
So out of all the places that you could have sold your candles, whether that be your own website or markets, why did you choose Etsy?
Etsy is great for people with no experience. When you're creating a new listing, it's very easy. They kind of walk you through the steps. You just fill in the boxes. For me, without any background, that was the place I wanted to start. You and I both know that personalization is everything. People come to Etsy primarily because they're looking for something specific for an event or a moment, and candles are great for something that you want to commemorate, a memory, an event. I always think about it in terms of what are events that happen in our lives that you would just give a candle for. The big ones: birth, wedding, graduation, retirement, and pets. I know you're familiar with pets. It's just a great product to commemorate these moments in life.
Out of all the different niches that you guys have designed for, is there any specific niche that you found that does well for candles?
I always think about it in terms of who is the actual customer. Is the customer the mom buying a gift, or is the customer the friend whose best friend is getting married? And so typically a younger audience will want something funny. Older audience will want something sentimental, meaningful. Just the more customization that you can add in: names, date, color, what can you actually customize that will draw in a customer every single time.
Are there any design attributes or trends that you find that just work really well for the candles specifically?
Text on candles sells first. All of my labels start with text. If it does well, then I'll start adding art to that niche. Just start with text. Use the 5 seconds. Was it beautiful in 5 seconds? Was it funny in 5 seconds? And then let that be the launching point.
For someone looking to get started on Etsy, would you recommend candles as a good product to start with?
It's a great product to start with. A few reasons. You have it's not as competitive as shirts, so the market is not as saturated. The other thing is the candle evokes a lot of emotion. When you give someone a candle, it can be for a very meaningful moment. Again, we talked about candles do really well for events in your life. And the label makes it such that it can be for super meaningful to really funny. And there's great margin in the candles. And again, I think that we've picked a product that the vessel itself with the lid, it stands out a little bit from the rest. It's just a little bit more elevated than what else is already out there. Yeah, I'm supporting a family of 6 plus a mid-sized staff, all on candles. That is the only product we sell. I know that you talk about product mix. For us, it's candles only. Sum it up, yes, I think it's the perfect product to start with.
In terms of time commitment, how much time would it realistically take to see results?
What you put in is what you get out. So I make it part of my daily, weekly work that I am constantly updating the shop, little tweaks here or there. I think you can get away with as little as 10 hours a week. But if you want to put in as many hours a week as I am, I think the results, they're there if you want them. My approach has always been to treat it like a full-time job, but most people on Etsy treat it as a hobby, and it's wonderful. That's enough.
So you're the #1 Etsy seller for candles. You become a master of your craft. What's next for you guys?
Honestly, candles have provided for us and my family of 6 since COVID. So as I look ahead to the future, I'm really excited to come on board as a manufacturing partner for HelloCustom and really just helping other sellers join the platform. I think candles are a great place to start. I would love to be the one to produce for them. I believe in our quality. I stand by it. You've been to our studio today, so I can't wait to get started.
I am so excited to announce that Beth has come on as our newest production partner for her custom candles.
Yes, I would love to make your candles, and there's really nothing to lose with print on demand. So you should get started today. It's changed our lives.
Yeah, so click that link in the description below. Thanks, Beth, for having us.
Thank you, Steven. Thanks for coming to Jackson.
All right, guys, you just heard Beth's story and the opportunity of selling frosted candles on Etsy. If you're interested in selling frosted candles on Etsy, I did put together a complete step-by-step tutorial going over how to create your designs, how to create your products, and how to launch those over on Etsy. So click on over and get started today.